Hello again to all my beautiful friends looking to move to Dallas or change places if you're already here. So today I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of a brand new apartment building in Uptown Dallas close to Highland Park. So you got a whole bunch of shopping areas around here. There's an Equinox gym. It's just a beautiful area, and look how cute this flower is on the table. Oh, I want that for my space. Okay, so let's get into this tour.
Everything indoors is open 24 hours.
So this would be the event space?
So they can't reserve the entire floor, but they can reserve the individual rooms. So combined, you could certainly host 50 people. And then, they could also mingle in this space if needed.
All right. Is that by the hour or 2 hours?
No, by the night.
Okay. So the only space that has to be reserved is that one back there?
No, both of the individual rooms.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Workspace. You said 24 hours?
Yes.
Okay.
And all the spaces, even those 2 rooms we saw, are all first come, first serve unless someone has to reserve. And then here we have our pool, open till 10 p.m. 3 gas range grills.
Nice. Do you ever have parties out here for like everyone?
Yeah.
Nice. How many stories are in this building?
20.
20? Okay, nice. It's a high rise.
Also
That's a nice
24
gym.
hours.
Oh. Wine food. So this one just has the shower. And a large closet. How tall are the ceilings in here?
They're all 10 feet.
10 feet? Okay. Seem taller. That's a good height. Oh,
Which is 1,550 square feet. It is our largest 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
nice. That's pretty big. 15. And how much is this one per month?
These start at about $6,000.
Okay.
We do have smaller 2-bedrooms starting at about $4,675 right now.
Okay. Well, this is the largest one, right?
Yes. But the other ones all have a very similar layout, just smaller square footage. All the 2-bedrooms are located on a corner like this, so they all have those corner windows, great natural light.
Nice.
All the appliances are the same, all the finishes and color schemes are the same as well.
It smells brand new. I love that smell.
Yeah.
The wraparound. Oh no, not wraparound balcony, but balcony.
Yeah, nice spacious balcony. Our larger 2-bedrooms have this built-in here in the living room.
Oh, that's nice. So it's just this model, or the other large 2 bedrooms also?
The 2 largest 2-bedrooms.
Gotcha. Ooh, it's a nice deep tub. Nice. So this is 2 bathrooms?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, same deal. 2 bed, 2 bath.
It looks similar to the last one, except it doesn't have that built in.
Right, yeah.
And the balcony is smaller.
But you get the downtown view.
Yeah.
And
So
a little bit of a pool view to the side as well.
there are a bunch of restaurants over here. Tom Thumb grocery store. Stores over here.